Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement our questions. That is write a Java program to count the numbers of vowel in a string. That means in a string, I have to uh, count the how many vowels is present in that string. So let's implement this. So implementing this, first of all, need a main method. Inside of main method, we just take input here, string input is equal to, I just take hello, hello, Java world. Okay, I just take this and the end with semicolon. So now, and let's remove this space. Okay, now I just have to create the one method which is used to uh, count the vowels. To creating the our method, that method is a static types because we don't have to deal with the object. So when we are performing the static method with the static method, that means we don't have to create the any object. That because the class level education is just started by itself. So that's why here inside of this class block, we just have to create a public static int vowel, VOWEL vowel. The name of the method is a vowel, or just take a count vowel, COUNT count, camel case. So vowel is a small one, capital one V. So COUNT count vowel. Okay, and inside of this, just take a string str, whatever you want, you can take it. So taking the input from this method, I just take a string str, and then here what we have to do, just to handle this, see here what we have a hello Java world, but the some character is a capital one and the other one is a small one. So if I want to calculate how many vowel in this here, might be getting confused to deal with the upper and lower. That's why first of all we have to convert it as a small one or else capital one. So I just converted here a small one. So just take here first int count, which is used to count the how many vowel is present in the string, and the other one is str dot to lower. Okay, to lowercase. Okay, so it will be now converted as a lowercase. And let me just comment out here something like this. Uh, convert convert lowercase lowercase. Okay, to to handle 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 both upper upper and lower lowercase. Okay, lowercase. So now you will be understand what is happening here. Now the logic part is here. So first of all, we just have to for loop over here, and int I is equal to 0. Starting from the 0, I should less than of str dot length, length is goes up to str dot length and I plus plus. After this, just need one more thing to calculate the how many vowels in the string. First of all, we have to convert as a char, because to calculating the to count the string, it will become as a one by one. That's only we can count the string. So to getting one character at a time, like h then E, then L, then L, then O, then a space, then J, then A, then V, then A, like that. So for that reasons, we need one method here. Just convert it as a char ch is equal to str dot char at of I. Okay. So now it coming as one character at a time. Okay. So after this, the our logic part is here. If if ch is equal to a, so how many vowels we have? Vowels we have vowels. Vowels. If you know the grammars, then you know that how many, what is the meaning of the vowels. That is a, e, I, O, U is a vowel. That means we have five vowels. So our condition is that if the ch is equal to a and or operators, if anyone is true for that reasons, and the ch is equal to a e, then or ch is equal to a e I, then ch is equal to a e I o o, and then again or operator ch is equal to u. If it's there in the string, you just have to count it. So for that reasons, just here count plus plus. So it will be count the how many characters is present as a vowels in the string. After this, it should be return the count. So as you can see here, this is the int type of uh, method. Okay, it will be returning the int type of data. So count is our int type of data. See where is that? Int count. Int is a integer type of data. So we just here come here and return it. Return count over here. So it will be returning the count. Okay. So why we are getting the error here? Because we did not use the or operator here. Now error is gone. Yeah, now the our program is ready to run and see what we will getting. So before we run it, first of all, also we just write the something here inside of our main method. Just write it here. Uh, int to call our method like that. So first of all, we just take int vowel count or just count. Okay, count, count. Okay, vowel vowels. Okay, is equal to what we have. Our method name is count vowel. So that means our method is count vowels. So here just take count. Okay, count count vowels characters. Okay, yeah, characters. Okay, is equal to just call our method. So our method is count vowels. Okay, count vowels and take as a input from this method. Okay, this argument, using this argument like this method, this variables here, that input is coming here and it goes up to this method. Okay, this argument it will take here, and inside of method it will be used these variables. That is a So if you know that the string is a object, so that is called the object. Input is a object, and it will be performing their tasks and calculating the count. So we just have to printing that count. Just use here sys out input string first. Input string. Okay, then plus input over here. Print the input, then sysout again. system.out.println the number of vowels. Okay, vowels vowels, and then plus and printing the vowels. So print the count of vowels character. Count of vowels character here. So now our program is ready now. So let's run it and check is it working fine or not. See, number of vowels is 5. Let's go and check manually. Is it a 5 or not? So as you can see here, A, E, I, O, U is a vowel. So as you can see here, E is a vowel. That means 1 is counted. A, E, I, O, U. So O is vowel here in the hello. 2 is counted. Now, then again here, A is there. Java, inside of Java, we have our 2A. That means 4 is counted. Now, WORLD, that means O is a vowels. That means 5 is counted. That means our program is working fine. Where we will not getting the any type of error. So now we can say that this is the way we can solve these problems like using the if variables. First of all, we have to convert as a string as a lower type, or as you can also convert it as a uppercase type. So anyone you can convert as a small one or capital one. Then you have to perform the operations like if the character is a e I o u, that means you should count the our characters. So I hope you will understand these videos. That's all about in these videos. Thank you for watching Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.